Introducing our brand new interior finger scrub mitts. These are an evolution of our already popular interior scrub pads. Let me show you how we use them. In short, the finger scrub mitts, these offer way more precision and control and access to those really tight areas that you just can't reach with the regular interior scrubbing pads. At the same time, providing a comfortable and secure grip whilst in use. So how do we actually use them? How do we get the best out of this product? Really simple. Take our favourite interior cleaner Logic, apply a few sprays to the mitt itself, and then a few sprays to the area that is to be cleaned, and then taking your mitt, we're working up and down, scrubbing the hard surfaces. Once you're satisfied, you can flip the mitt over to the microfiber side and then wipe away that excess product. The good thing about these finger scrub mitts, they're completely reusable. Once you've used them and they're dirty, put a little bit of soap on there, rub it through with your hands, microfiber side also. Just agitate that dirt out of there, run them under a cold tap or a warm tap, whichever you prefer. Squeeze them out. Once you've rinsed it out, just squeeze the water out, shake it off. Good as new. Now just let them air dry before next use.